Starting with my dressing that I'm going to use for my salad. Get my mini juicer ready, and I'm just going to juice my lime. And I'll do some more. I may not use it all because I'm just doing a small side salad for myself. But if you want to make more, just add more lime, add more ingredients, and adjust it to your liking or your needs. This is going to be really simple, but it just pairs really well with the papaya. So sometimes less is more and simple is delicious. I'm going to add just a bit of extra virgin olive oil and add my lime juice and black pepper. I'm not adding any salt, just pepper. Give this a nice mix. I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator and let's toss this salad together. Most of the time I use baby spinach, but I have a mixture of baby spinach and baby kale. You could give it a rough chop if you like, but it's baby spinach and baby kale, so it's pretty tender and you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm going to go ahead and just add my onion on top. Let's get this papaya cut open. Oh my goodness. Yes, that is so beautiful. I took the seeds out off camera. I don't need all of this, so I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. I'm going to wrap it with some tin foil or saran wrap and refrigerate it for later. Just for plating, if you wanted to look nice and you're serving dinner for somebody or making a video like I am, I just like to clean this up a bit and just take a bit off the top. You don't have to. And then just slice my papaya and take that and toss it. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is my take on a papaya salad. It not only looks beautiful, but it tastes delicious. It pairs really good with any type of steak you want to cook up. So let's cook up some steak and toss this dinner together. Onion powder, garlic powder, some sea salt, black pepper. I like to press everything in, and I'm going to try something different. Yes, I know this is for chicken, and it's for chicken wings. This is Caribbean jerk wing seasoning mix, but it's Caribbean jerk, and I like the flavor for dark meat for chicken, so I'm going to toss just a bit of this on there too. Why not? Press that in. Flip this. Going to just repeat everything. I got some garlic powder, onion powder, some sea salt, black pepper, a bit of that Caribbean jerk. Looks like enough to me. Going to give this a nice press. Spraying my pan with a generous amount of canola oil. I normally use avocado oil, but this was on sale, so I thought, why not? I started with a really high heat, so now I'm going to let that sear for a few minutes. And then I'm going to turn it down to medium and let it continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're ready to flip our steak. Turning my heat back up a bit, I'm going to go ahead and spray this side. And let's flip over. I'm going to leave this on a high heat and then do the same thing. Let it cook for a bit on high heat. Turn it down to a medium. Let it continue to cook for a few minutes. Adding a tablespoon of I can't believe it's not butter, the light one. You could use real butter if you like. Just put that right there. I would normally let this rest a bit longer, but I'm starving. So I'm just slicing this up. I wanted to get a good look inside. And to me, this is a real true medium cook, as far as my opinion, because it's nice and pink, but it's not bloody. So cook your steak however you like. If you like it medium, medium well done, go for it. I want to see how this jerk seasoning tastes. Let's try it out. Delicious. Let's plate this up. This is gonna go so good together. I have some chopped Asiago cheese. Asiago cheese or Feta goes good with this. I love to do Feta, but I'm out. So Asiago it is. And I just diced it up in small little cubes. I have the dressing that I prepared. Just gonna give it a little bit of a mix. And I'm not gonna put all of it, just drizzle a bit over my salad. A bit more black pepper. And now for the steak. I just sliced up a few pieces to toss on top. And this is just how I like to prepare it. You could have your steak on the side if you like. This is so simple but delicious. Trust me. Try this out. You're gonna love it. And I'll see you in my next upload. Of course, I got this T-bone steak on a deal. I was walking in the meat department. I seen this gigantic thick-cut T-bone steak, and it was a good price. So I'm celebrating. I'm cooking this up. Testing 1, 2, 3. Mamacita!